Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to turn off the voice chat on your Meta Quest 3. So guys, if you guys are having trouble turning off the voice chat on your Meta Quest 3, you have come to the right place. So at first, just open your navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, all you have to do is open the settings. You can open the settings from the quick settings. At first, click on here and go right there and you can see the settings. And as you open the settings, look for the option sound, which can be found inside the system. And as you see the sound right here, just open it. And you can see the option here. You can just turn it on to mute the voice chat on your Meta Quest 3. So guys, that's how you turn off the voice chat on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.